Hlookup formula is horizontal lookup formula. It look up the value and gives you the result from the row. So it works from the horizontal side, from the left to right hand side. So for example here, what I want, if I type the employee ID, it should give me the related order quantity. So I will use Hlookup formula. Then first one is lookup value. My lookup value is this cell reference, then comma. What's my table array? My table array is this the whole data. Press F4 to fix it, then comma. So what is the number of my result row? My result, I want result from the order quantity, so it's on second number. I will just write second and then comma. Last one is approximate match and exact match. I want my value to be exact match. Close of bracket, press enter. Now, as soon as I type employee ID, it will give me the related ordered quantity. For example, if I type 2256, so now it's giving me 269, which is the order quantity for the employee ID 2256. Same as here, if I type any other ID, it will give me the related quantity. So this is how this formula work. Again, there are few elements you need to consider. The lookup value should be unique. There shouldn't be any duplicates if you want horizontal formula to work properly. And second thing is it's this formula work from the left to right hand side, and the result column in like towards the downside, like this row or this row or this row. So like VLOOKUP formula work from the column to column, like left to right hand column, and this horizontal lookup formula rows from the top to down rows.